Power filter. Advanced 3-step filtration. Variety of sizes. For aquariums 5 to 15 gallons, 10 to 20 gallons, 20 to 40 gallons, 30 to 60 gallons. Included. 1 Aqua-Tech EZ Change 3 filter cartridge. Fast, clean, easy. Traps dirt, removes impurities and offers maximum water to carbon contact. Warranty. Limited 3-year. Aqua-Tech makes aquarium maintenance simple and easy. The Aqua-Tech Power Filter for aquariums traps dirt, removes impurities and offers maximum water to carbon contact with its advanced 3-step filtration. This product comes in a variety of sizes to meet any aquarium needs including 5 to 15 gallons, 10 to 20 gallons, 20 to 40 gallons and 30 to 60 gallons. Complete 3-stage filtration system. In Stage 1, the filter cartridge floss screens out dirt and debris. Molded and ribbed back for maximum water to carbon contact. In Stage 2, activated carbon inside filter cartridge removes odors, discolorations and impurities. Change the used Aqua-Tech replacement cartridge monthly as carbon deactivates with use. In Stage 3, the Biotech biological grid, which comes with your power filter, never needs replacing, ensures elimination of toxic ammonia and nitrite, and has a unique design that will not clog. Top reviews from the United States. Love it, but it was late. I love my filter. It's quiet and was very easy to set up. The only issue that I have is that it was extremely late and some of my fish expired due to it, but the Amazon CSR made everything right due to the inconvenience. I'll always use Amazon Prime due to the convenience it offers.